Hello kids! Today we learn and draw some 2D shapes and colors. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Oval, it's a oval. Rectangle, it's a rectangle. Pie, we are drawing pie. It's a pie. Triangle, we are drawing triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Very simple triangle. Arrow, we are drawing arrow. Arrow, right triangle, we are drawing right triangle. Right triangle. Now we learn some colors. Green color, forest green color, yellow green color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, red color. Yellow oak color, yellow oak color. Peacock green color, peacock green color. Cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color. Vivid green color, vivid green color. Yellow green color, yellow green color. Natural oak color, natural oak color. Let's learn 2D shapes. Oval, rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.